Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how you can protect your files on cloud storage platforms such as Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive. For this purpose, we will build a Python app that is used for encryption and decryption of the files. Before we begin, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and like my video for more videos. Okay, let's begin. First of all, we will import the necessary Python libraries. These are mostly for encryption and user interface implementation. After we import the necessary libraries, we start with the function that will be used for deriving a key from the provided password from the user. This function is very crucial as it will be used to encrypt a file or decrypt an encrypted file. Now we implement the function for selecting a file for encryption or decryption. This function just gets the location of the selected file, nothing fancy. Here the important part comes. It's the function for file encryption. This function encrypts the file using the password the user provided. First, it asks for password from the user. If the password is not provided, the program shows an error message. If everything goes well, the app generates a random salt value that will be used for encryption. Then it derives a key using this random salt and the user's password. Then the file is encrypted and saved with .encrypted extension. For simplicity, the random salt is embedded in the first 16 bytes of the encrypted file. Here we come to the decryption function. This function is basically the opposite of the encryption function. It gets the encrypted file and reads the first 16 bytes to determine the salt value. Salt value and provided password are used to generate the key that was used to encrypt the file. The key must be the same key during the encryption so that the file can be decrypted again. After that, the file is decrypted and encrypted file is removed. After we implement the functions, we implement the user interface. We place the necessary buttons and texts. For more information, you can refer to the documentation of tkinter library. You can find the link in the description box. You can also find the source code of this app in the description box. I highly recommend that you use this app or another encryption app to protect your files on cloud storage platforms. You are free to customize my app according to your needs. Let me just show you how it works. First things first, select a file to encrypt. Then click on Encrypt File button and give a password for encryption. And choose a location to save the encrypted file. Okay, the file has been encrypted and saved. As you can see, the original file includes the test message, but we click on the encrypted file, you will see that the message has been encrypted successfully. Okay, now it's time to decrypt the same file. First things first, we need to select the encrypted file to decrypt it. Okay, I'm clicking on the decrypt file and giving the same password that I've used before. I'm deleting the original file so that you can see that the program works. I'm saving it. Okay, the decrypted file has been saved successfully. As you can see, we have only the original file that we have decrypted. That's it. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.